Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher of Mount Itra Z School Jhansi. Students, today we are going to study English grammar from a new enjoying grammar. So students, today we are going to solve the exercises of the first chapter, simple present and the present continuous tenses, whose video has already been posted on the YouTube. So let us quickly take a recap of what is simple present and present continuous. As I've already told you in the video, simple present is used for things that happen as a routine. Yes, like for example, it often rains in Darjeeling. It is used for stating general facts, that is, state of people, places, and things. Like for example, Ramesh works for a children's magazine. Then it is used for future events that are part of a timetable or schedule. That is, the train arrives tonight at 9 p.m. And lastly, it is used for verbs related to belief, emotion, and perception. Like, I believe in exercising every day. Now, in simple words, simple present tense uses S or ES form of the verb. Yes? Taking present continuous tense, it is generally verb with ing form. That is showing you the continuous form. Now, where it is used for things that are happening at the moment. Like for example, it is raining now. It is used for long actions that are happening at present but not necessarily at the moment and will discontinue in the future. Like for example, Ramesh is currently writing a story based on mythology. He is doing a lot of research on the subject. Next, it is used for future events that are part of an arrangement or a plan at a more informal and personal level. Like for example, Harish is arriving tonight by the 9 p.m. train. Yes, as I already told you, simple present tense uses the base form of the verb with S or ES with singular nouns and pronouns. Like for example, he works on weekends too. Then present continuous tense uses am, is, or are plus the present participle, that is the ing form of the verb. Like for example, this month I am having several meetings with government officials. Then we have negative form of both the type. Simple present tense, if we have to write it in negative form, we use do not, which is also known as don't, plus the bare infinitive. Yes, we have do not as well as does not. Like for example, we don't want to delay this project any longer. Yes, what will be the example of does not? He doesn't want to delay the project any longer. Present continuous, what will be the negative form of present continuous? We use is not, and is not can be written as isn't plus the present participle form of the verb, or are not, which is also known as aren't, plus the present participle form of the verb to form negative. Example, we aren't receiving any support from the company for this project. Now, next is question tags. Simple present tense, we use do or does plus subject plus the bare infinitive. Yes, like for example, do you like apples? Or where does Sheila live? Present continuous tense, how we'll write the question form? We have is or are plus the subject plus the present participle form of the verb. Yes, like is Guna mowing the lawn? Or what are you working on currently? Okay. Now, this exercise one I'll be giving you in the PDF to be written in the notes copy. You'll make a separate notes copy for English grammar. Is that clear? We'll start discussing the exercise from exercise 2. So here it says, complete this conversation with the simple present tense or the present continuous tense forms of the verbs in the brackets. Like he says, Rani, where do you come from? Sonu, I come from Mumbai. Rani, which class are you in? Yes, Sonu, I dash in class 7. So what will be the be form of the correct thing? Am. Rani, how often dash you dash to Chennai? So how often do you come to Chennai? Sonu, I dash not come here very often. So not come, do not come. Next, Rani, dash you dash traveling? So it's a question mark. So we'll have, do you enjoy traveling? And last, Sonu, no, I don't. Next, exercise 3 says, decide whether the verbs in the brackets refer to general activities or current projects and complete the para. Best Shoes was founded 50 years ago and they manufacture and supply shoes to several large companies. They dash market surveys to find out the needs of the customers. So in blank 3 we'll have they conduct market surveys. At the moment, they dash round the clock to complete an order of 20,000 jogging shoes for the Independence Day marathon. So they are working round the clock. The next order is for export to China. The chairperson of Best Shoes is having discussions with the Chinese to find out what kind of shoes they require. Okay? And fourth exercise he calls for, tick the correct verbs to complete the letter. So dear Anil, I am here at last in the USA and I am having a great time. My university semester does not begin until September. So I am taking this opportunity to earn some money. I dash with an American family. I am staying with an American family who dash a departmental store. So are owning. During weekends, I dash them. That is, help them. While on weekdays, I take the metro to the city center where I am working. I really like it here and hope you will come here soon. Let me know as soon as you decide. Write in detail about what you are doing these days. With love, Parul.